Hello, you're watching Proactive. Here's a look at some of the small cap company news we've been covering over the past week. hVIVO has landed its third human challenge trial contract in recent months, this time with a European biotech client for an influenza study starting almost immediately. CEO Mo Khan says the company is now signing full clinical trial agreements rather than earlier stage deals, reducing cancellation risk and bringing revenue recognition forward.
So we said previously that we are aiming to deliver a high single-digit growth from 25 to 26. We are on target for that. But this contract also help us to cement some of the revenue visibility going into 2027.
Bango has added LinkedIn to its digital vending machine platform, giving telcos, banks and retailers a new way to bundle LinkedIn Premium alongside other subscription services. CEO Paul Elliott says the deal reflects a broader shift towards more personalized subscription bundles beyond entertainment.
So more subscription types to reach more audiences is just further expands that ecosystem. We've already moved into fitness, into retail, into professional services. AI tools is a big growth area, and the addition of a service like LinkedIn just naturally expands that moving forward.
Science Technologies has secured its first Injectaclad supply contract since the acquisition, a £410,000 order for a five-storey building in East Yorkshire. The company has a quoted pipeline of £130 million and is targeting a market of over 40,000 UK buildings needing fire protection work.
And we're starting to gradually see those come through. There's a lot of jobs within BSR currently, and we really see it's second year loaded for us and moving into 2027. And we're very excited about the future, as you can see by this particular first order.
Active Energy has gone from concept to 15.5 megawatts of capacity in under 12 months, with CEO Paul Elliott saying the model's starting to compound. The main 8 megawatts UAE site is expected to generate significant revenue, with partnerships in place that could unlock a further 50 megawatts.
The 8 megawatt site expected to generate $3.5 million annually. And with Gunnedah and Kausner both having revenues kicking in, the model quickly starts to compound. More cash flow allows us to secure more sites.
Seeing Machines delivered record automotive production of 1.28 million vehicles in the quarter, up 122%, as car makers rush to meet the July European safety deadline. Royalty revenue in the third quarter alone exceeded the entire first half of the financial year.
The automotive regulatory tailwinds are translating into accelerating production. So this is, December quarter was up. This quarter is up 122% on prior quarter. So really very, very strong evidence that is well and truly underway. And that flows through into operating leverage, which drives improving profitability quarter on quarter.
Foresight Solar Fund is asking shareholders to vote on the company's future at its AGM next month, after shares traded at more than a 10% discount to NAV last year. Fund manager Toby Verno says the strategy to close the discount centres on portfolio renewal alongside potential private market partnerships to accelerate activity.
One thing we'd like to highlight is that whilst all of these initiatives are underway, investors are benefiting from attractive income. Based on the latest share price, FSFL is currently yielding close to 12% on a dividend that's expected to be fully covered this year.
Follow us and subscribe on YouTube, our social channels and on proactiveinvestors.co.uk.